Hello everyone. Today we will see how to prepare a simple chicken ghee roast. So I have got one chicken breast, cut it to small pieces, and we are going to marinate this chicken with all spices. First I'm adding curd 3 teaspoon, salt half teaspoon, chili powder half teaspoon, coriander powder half teaspoon, cumin powder 1/4 teaspoon, pepper powder 1/4 teaspoon, garam masala 1/4 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, lime juice 1 teaspoon. Now mix them well. And let it marinate for 1 hour. So after 1 hour, take few curry leaves, few cashew nuts and 1 green chili. Turn on the gas, take a frying pan. Once the pan is hot, let's add 3 teaspoon of ghee. Adding cashew nut and green chili. Saute it and we can add the chicken now. Spread it evenly and then we can close it with a lid, and on a medium flame let it cook for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, so there's still a lot of water, so we can mix it well. Just make sure it's not getting dried. So we can close it with the lid again and let it cook for 5 more minutes. But in the meantime, just make sure it is not getting dried. So it's been 5 minutes. Okay. So the water is all dried. And the chicken is also like partially cooked. Stir it well. So let it cook like this and occasionally keep stirring it. So in another 10 minutes the chicken got roasted well, and before we turn off the heat we can add the curry leaves and just mix it. And now we can turn off the heat and our chicken ghee roast is ready. So please give it a try and thanks for watching.